The opportunity here is getting paid to compress that entire 4-person workflow into a few minutes using these tools.
You're selling consistency and trust at speeds the client just can't match on their own. Okay, so we are diving deep into what really feels like Google's quietest rollout of the year.
It really does.
Our source material points to a free, and I mean really underrated, AI tool called Pomelli.
Mm-hmm.
And the claim is you can take any business website and, well, instantly forge it into a complete branded marketing system.
In under 10 minutes. That's the key.
That's the claim.
And our goal today is really to cut through the noise for you. I mean, everyone knows AI is helpful, but the mission here is to understand the precise roadmap the source has provided.
Right.
Turning this one free tool into a, recurring monthly income. We're not just looking at the tech.
No, we're dissecting the monetization strategy behind it. First, we're breaking down what Pomelli actually is.
And the strategic value of its business DNA feature.
Right. Second, we look at how to use the free version of Gemini for, Hydra-specific lead generation.
And finally, we'll analyze the full automation stack, detailing how another key AI software handles all the fulfillment and actually justifies those monthly fees.
Let's jump right in with the tool itself.
Okay, so Pomelli. You can find it at labs.google.com/Pomelli. And the fact that it's still in labs is important to note. It means it's flying under the radar.
But it also means Google hasn't fully committed to it long term.
Mm-hmm.
So that's a critical challenge, right? Why would anyone risk building a business on a free tool that Google might just shut down tomorrow?
The answer is the core skill isn't using the tool. It's understanding the output.
Okay.
If Google were to sunset it tomorrow, you could replicate the function with, a slightly longer prompt in GPT-4 or Gemini Advanced.
It would just take longer.
It would take maybe 30 minutes instead of 30 seconds. The strategy, the core idea, remains completely sound.
That makes a lot of sense. The real value is productizing the output, not the tool itself.
The function is a really simple 3-step process. Generate business DNA, get campaign ideas, and then generate creatives.
And the real magic, the part that saves you and your client hours of expensive labor, is that first step.
It's the business DNA. You just plug in a website, and Pomelli scans and analyzes everything.
And it doesn't just pull a logo. It builds a full, comprehensive brand book in seconds.
Yes. The DNA isn't just a list of assets. It's an instant strategy map.
So what's in it?
It extracts and organizes everything that defines a brand's identity. You get the logo, specific high-res images from the site, their complete color palette with the exact hex codes.
Oh, the hex codes.
Your existing tagline, established brand values, their emotional tone of voice. Is it playful, serious, adventurous, and a concise business overview?
This is where it changes the game for small businesses, right? Because a traditional marketing engagement starts with, what, a 2-hour meeting?
At least. Followed by a design brief costing hundreds, maybe thousands of dollars just to figure out that basic brand identity.
And you, the service provider, can generate all of that instantly, for free.
And the source pointed this out. They've paid graphic designers hefty fees for brand books that this tool generates instantly. And often it's better organized and more consistent than the human-created version.
So you're eliminating the most time-consuming, expensive initial step for literally $0. That speed is what you sell.
That speed is the product.
So we have this lightning-fast process, but the source material emphasizes the client doesn't care about the speed of the tool. They care about eliminating a pain point.
And that pain has a great name. AI guilt.
AI guilt. I like that.
It's a brilliant framing device for the small business owner. They know deep down they should be leveraging AI for sales, marketing, automation.
But they're completely stuck.
Totally stuck. They see the headlines, but they only ever use ChatGPT for a simple recipe or maybe a travel plan.
And they feel guilty for not applying it to their actual business.
Exactly. And you are getting paid to eliminate that guilt and manage the technology on their behalf.
So once Pomelli establishes that core DNA, the tool moves on to producing real, usable marketing assets.
Right, assets that solve the client's biggest headache. The output is highly specific and ready to post. Pomelli gives you suggested campaign concepts, and then it generates full creative sets, carousels, ad-style graphics, social posts, and copy elements, all tailored to their established tone of voice.
And this directly addresses the core weakness of small business marketing, which is the consistency crisis.
A what?
The consistency crisis. If you're researching a local service, say a boutique hotel or a small accounting firm, and you check their Instagram
And the last post was months ago.
months ago, you instantly form a negative impression.
You assume they're inactive, maybe struggling, or just unprofessional. You go with a competitor who feels more current and therefore more trustworthy.
Business owners know this. They know it's a problem, but the workflow is just impossible for one person.
Oh, it's a nightmare. It requires a strategist to plan, a designer for visuals, a writer for copy, and an assistant to schedule it all. And the opportunity here is getting paid to compress that entire 4-person workflow into a few minutes using these tools.
You're selling consistency and trust at speeds the client just can't match on their own.
Which brings us directly to the monetization model. Money loves speed.
Money loves speed.
The faster you can create personalized, highly relevant, and 100% on-brand content, the more valuable your service becomes.
So the recommended offering is selling these content packs.
Yep. The DNA setup is a one-time thing, the foundation, and then you deliver ongoing content monthly.
Let's talk about the price ranges then. What justifies them?
Okay, so the basic content pack, let's say 15 to 20 on-brand posts per month, delivered in bulk for the client to post themselves. That can start at $300 to $600 a month.
So that's pretty low touch for you.
Very low touch. You're just selling the raw asset files and copy. It's pure efficiency for the client.
But to get to those higher end fees, the $1,000 to $2,000 a month charges or that $8,500 engagement.
Right. For that, you have to offer full service management. You become their outsourced marketing department.
Okay, so what does that include?
That high-end pack isn't just content generation. It's hands-on fulfillment, direct engagement, platform management. For $2,000 a month, you're ensuring daily posts across 3 platforms, engaging with comments, running analytics.
You're basically replacing the full-time assistant they can't afford.
That's it exactly.
I do have to challenge those high numbers, though. $8,500 a month for one person using free tools. I mean, that sounds like an unrealistic outlier for a beginner.
And it definitely is. It reflects the ceiling of the service, not the starting point.
Okay.
But the source justified that premium by noting the clients were businesses with multiple locations or large inventory. Think like a regional car dealership or a multi-location real estate firm.
So for them, $8,500 is actually cheaper than hiring one full-time marketing coordinator.
Now you've got it. You're not selling content. You're selling comprehensive risk mitigation and consistent market visibility.
That reframes the value prop entirely. But to sell any of these packs, you need unlimited, high-quality leads.
And this is where the next free tool comes in, Google Gemini.
Right.
Since Gemini is a Google product, it has this strong native integration with Google Search and, critically, Google Maps.
So it's better for local leads than, say, ChatGPT.
Far superior. Generic AI models often rely on older, more generalized data sets. Gemini is pulling from real-time local data.
So you're using the free version of Gemini to generate prospecting lists that are hyper-current. What's the prompt strategy they recommend?
Okay, so you prompt Gemini to act as a digital marketing agency and build a list of, say, 20 active businesses in a specific industry and location.
Can you give an example?
Sure, something like act as a digital marketing agency. Build a list of 20 active independent coffee roasters in Austin, Texas, who are struggling with social media consistency.
And the required data points make the list instantly actionable.
And they feed directly into Pomelli. You absolutely need the business name, the website URL. That's the magic ingredient for Pomelli, the industry. And if you can get it, the decision maker's name.
That gives you an unlimited targeted list to just work down.
Every lead is a potential fit for that consistency crisis solution.
Okay, so once you have the content from Pomelli and the leads from Gemini, you need a platform that can handle client volume and automate delivery.
Which brings us to GoHighLevel. The source calls it the essential AI marketing Swiss Army knife.
GHL. I've heard of it.
It's crucial because you can't manage $2,000 a month clients with just a spreadsheet. Its primary function is a centralized management system.
So it's a CRM, but also a scheduler.
It's a full CRM, but most relevant here, it's a multi-platform scheduler. You can handle multiple clients and schedule posts across Google Business, Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, all from one dashboard.
Now, the source highlighted a massive piece of friction GHL eliminates, the pain of collecting client usernames and passwords.
Oh, it's a nightmare for agencies. It's a huge security risk and a massive trust barrier.
So how does GHL solve that without needing their passwords?
It uses secure connection links. It's like how you'd connect a third-party app to your social media. You send the client a specific link, they securely connect their own accounts, and that's it.
And the connection persists.
Exactly. Suddenly, you have permission to manage their posting schedule instantly without ever knowing their personal login details. It's what makes this whole high-value service model scalable.
And the tools integrate pretty seamlessly, right? Pomelli provides the core assets, but GHL has its own AI.
Right. You can use GHL's internal AI to quickly generate supplementary captions or slight variations on the Pomelli output. It helps you fill out the rest of the month's content schedule easily.
So you can promise daily activity.
Every single day.
All right, so we've built the engine. Leads, assets, and automation. Now for the final piece, landing these clients.
And the strategy is crucial. Lead with value to build trust fast.
Always.
Meaning you put in the effort before they ever commit to anything. You're not asking for a meeting to discuss their needs. You're showing them you already understand their needs and have basically already solved their problem.
So the exact pitch they suggested is a high-value, no-commitment email. It goes something like this.
Hey, I ran into your website and put it through my website scanner tool. I instantly pulled your brand, tone, colors, and positioning and turned it into a ready-to-post content pack.
And the crucial line, the soft close, is, I already created a couple sample posts directly from your site. Want me to send them over?
It makes the transaction about receiving a free gift, not signing a contract.
And the absolute money move, as the sources call it, is not mentioning Pomelli by name.
Never. The business owner doesn't care about a free Google Lab experiment. They care that you have a proprietary scanner tool that delivered instant results that look like 2 full days of design work.
So to demonstrate that, you attach 2 things to that email.
2 things. First, 2 sample, ready-to-post creatives, and second, a clean screenshot of their freshly generated brand DNA. That snapshot alone provides the perceived value of a full strategic consultation.
And for anyone new to this, looking to hit those $1,000 plus fees, the source advises building credibility first.
Offer a short free trial, maybe 2 weeks of content or a few sample posts for free. Once you have a few successes and testimonials under your belt, you move immediately to charging those high upfront fees.
The proof of consistency justifies the price.
It always does. So to summarize the full ecosystem we've explored for you, Pomelli provides the free, instant, high-value assets and brand strategy DNA.
Gemini generates unlimited, highly targeted local leads.
And GoHighLevel manages the clients, automates the fulfillment, solves the password headache, and allows you to scale rapidly.
That structure is why one person can effectively perform the work of a full creative and strategic team in, a fraction of the time.
Justifying those recurring monthly fees that are competitive with or cheaper than hiring a single full-time employee.
So here's the thought for you to consider as you go about your day. Which local business in your area, maybe the independent brewery, the specialized clinic, or the high-end realtor, is clearly suffering from that AI guilt right now?
Feeling overwhelmed and inconsistent.
Exactly. And knowing you can generate their strategic business DNA in under 60 seconds, how quickly could you apply that concept to start a high-value conversation? The next step is literally a 10-minute task.
Until next time, we will catch you on BetterAIBots.com.